set you up real quick. We got a little door flex for you.
Okay.
This is my favorite part.
Door flex, Jess. Wow. Man, this thing is brutal. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. How you doing? Wow. That looks good. Whoa. Sorry, it's just a lot of different stuff. That looks really good, man. Wow. I can tell you've done some work. Who did all of this? Wow. It's solid. Very nice. Whoa. That's a big box, man. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Chet Mount Pleasant. I got 818 Crossfire C7s, 4 4Ks, bunch of mids and highs, everything Crossfire.
Oh, wow.
2-to-1 fourth order.
Man. You don't even have have you metered it at all?
Yeah.
How is it doing?
160.3 on the dash and 17,000 watts.
Awesome.
I can get about 24,000 out of that.
If you burp it? Okay.
Yeah. I haven't done a full out burp yet. Just that was clean power.
Wow.
No clip in, nothing.
Awesome. Go check out the amps in the back. Door?
You gotta reach out to get it. That one's walled off now too.
I'll go check it out. Okay. The MLK show nice. So all your lithium underneath.
Yeah.
Oh, you can actually, okay. Wow. And how much is this lithium wise?
240 amp power.
Really? Just that? Wow.
Yep, and I
man.
got two 390 JS alternators.
Okay. Yep. Awesome. Thank you for showing me. Okay, sounds good.
She can put her head in.
You can hand trick? Yeah. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Really looking forward to showing y'all this crazy bass experience demo. Was really impressed to see him fit 8 of these 18-inch subs inside of this system. He was showcasing it at the Made of Steel show near Tampa, Florida area of 2021. Fascinating to see that he had his subwoofers actually inverted. So there is a sealed chamber on the left and right side of these subs. Being inverted helps them cool a little better. Have the motors exposed so you can kind of see the beauty of how they are structured. Powerful amplifiers. If you notice on the left there, he has an AC cooling system that comes from his actual vehicle compressor to cool the amplifiers. So when he has that back hatch shut, when it gets really hot, I'm sure it keeps the back area nice and cool. Helps the amplifiers not get as hot. And the battery bank underneath, was impressed to see over 200 amp hours of lithium in a small space. So really efficient lithium battery bank to support for this system. So this system is 8 18-inch subs on over 16,000 watts. Amplifiers are definitely a little bit underpowered and running in the 15 volt range. He said he clamped over 17K and he didn't even turn the knob all the way up. So pretty impressive 60 dB plus system. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos and enjoy this demo.
Yes, I live far.
Don't even drop, man.
No, I mean the amps do just a little bit.
Just a little, yeah.
Alternator to battery.
Wow.
Let's set you up real quick. We got a little door flex for you.
Okay.
This is my favorite part.
Door flex, Jess. Wow. Man, this thing is brutal. That's pretty loud, man, for a musical build too. It isn't.
Yeah.
It's not driver. Your last one was driver port, if I remember right.
6/18.
Wow.
I went to 8/18.
Yeah. Cone area too, dude. I appreciate the demo. You got a line, man. This is awesome. Thank you very much for that, man. That was awesome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.